Alright fanboys and fangirls, it looks like Xiaomi just shook up the tech world, and it looks like it's going to be in a big way, because on today's episode, and only one story for today, I'm going to focus solely on the Xiaomi charging device called AirCharge, and I'm going to tell you why this might have just changed the name of the game for wireless charging. I'm going to tell you how this shapes a wireless future that everybody's been talking about, and I'm going to tell you why more companies should follow in Xiaomi's footsteps in terms of innovation. All that on today's episode, so stay tuned. YouTube, what's poppin'? Michael here. Welcome back to Technoid. I hope you all are doing well. I hope you all are staying safe. Again, today's episode is only going to be one story and one story only. That's it, because I know you guys want to enjoy your weekend, so definitely enjoy your weekend. But we got one news story, and it's going to be a very important story. So I definitely hope you can check out this episode. Again, guys, if you enjoy the content, you enjoy what I bring to the table, please consider hitting that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you do not miss when I upload. To my returning subscribers, thank you as always. Make sure you hit that like button and follow me on Twitter at Technoid12 for all the latest updates. All that out of the way, let's get it going. So story number one, the main story, the only story for today, let's talk about that Xiaomi Mi charger. Now this was submitted to me by PA Tech and a couple of the boys in the SMT group chat. Shout out the boys. But anyway, this was brought to my attention because I had no idea what was going on. I had no thoughts of any of this stuff, hell, rather alone, I didn't even know this was happening. But apparently Xiaomi is going to change the name we look at wireless charging, and I am actually on board with this. According to The Verge and also from Xiaomi themselves, they are releasing a brand new charging system, which this is a concept. This is not a practical device right now, but the concept is called the Mi AirCharge technology, a wireless charging system that the company claims is able to charge devices within a radius of several meters. Multiple devices can be charged at 5 watts at the same time, and according to Xiaomi, physical obstacles apparently doesn't reduce charging efficiency. Xiaomi claims that the technology will work with smartwatches, fitness bracelets, and a goal that they are trying to make is a true wireless system that everything can charge remotely and string-free of pads and whatever. Now, Xiaomi did release a statement. I'm not going to read the whole thing. I'm just going to leave a link in the description. But guys, let me tell you something right now. And this is where I'm going to come in with my opinion. This is where I'm about to freak out. I haven't done this in a long time, but shit! That is what I am talking about. That is true innovation. Thank you. Finally, somebody had the balls to wake up and say, you know what? We're going to show people what real innovation is. Not the Samsung innovation, not the Apple innovation, not the Google innovation. We're going to do it our way, the Xiaomi way, because of course we take ideas from all the companies, but we're going to show people what real wireless charging is. And that is why I'm so excited about this. This is exactly what wireless charging is supposed to be. Now, I get that we were limited in technology when the wireless charging, the concept, everything came out in the beginning. Of course, it is technically wireless as you're not plugging in your phone, but the whole idea of wireless charging was being able to wirelessly charge your phone, but the pad needed to be on. You had to plug the pad in, and then you had to put it on a pad, and it was just had to stay there. This is exactly what wireless charging should have been from the start. This is everything we could have wanted. Xiaomi, I don't know how the hell you're pulling this together, but I gotta give you guys tons and tons of credit. This is true innovation. Being able to charge a smartwatch, a smartphone, multiple different phones, I may say, but being able to do this all wirelessly, fully wirelessly, not put it on a mat, this is amazing. The way this works is there are going to be a bunch of antennas and different radiuses that will have pinpoint locations of surrounding your area, knowing exactly where your device is, and will be able to charge these devices in either one room, and if you go into the other room, obviously you'll probably cut off because there will be some limitations, but Xiaomi claims it could even go through walls. Well, we wouldn't go that far. Now I get it. I understand this is just a concept. This is not an actual product. It's going to take a little bit of while to get there, but this is everything you could have wanted in true innovation. You know, you hear that word innovation get run through the ringer. You hear people use that term, especially big tech companies. And what's so innovative anyway? You know, the only thing that I see as innovative is just companies taking accessories out the box and charging you more for accessories. That's what they call innovation. Another quote unquote innovation Well, actually, I can't really think of one right now, but you get my point. The word innovation has been dragged through the ringers. It has been used and it's been milked because I don't understand why. That's the same thing that's been milked and grinded, because innovation to me should be something new, something that things aren't done. You know, being able to use the word innovate means you can change the game. What has Samsung and Apple done in the last 3 years? As a matter of fact, what has the smartphone market done that they haven't done? Now, I get there. Probably there's some stuff that I'm missing, and I'm sure I'm gonna hear about it in the comments, but think about it, guys. The way we use the word innovation is the same way we use the word average consumers. We're referring to those people as Neanderthals. And I think we need to hashtag stop the stereotype, get rid of average consumer as a term. I stopped using it, so definitely stop using it, a lot of people. Hashtag stop the stereotype. That's my goal. But anyway, in all seriousness, back to the charger. This is what real innovation looks like. This is exactly what we need. We need products like this that can push the boundaries of hardware, but most of all, make the experience truly seamless. That is the goal. And Xiaomi being able to produce this product and working on it, and I'm telling you guys, it's not gonna happen right away. Of course, I'm very excited, and of course, I have a lot of energy, but I get it. It's gonna be a while before we see this. It's probably gonna take about maybe a year, 2 years, 3 at the most. We don't know when it's coming out. But the fact that we are now at this point where we are working on devices that can really wirelessly charge, that is the name of the game. That should be the goal from this point forward for all tech companies, not just Xiaomi, but Apple, Samsung, Google, OnePlus. So many potentials have now opened up to innovate the smartphone world. So let me tell you, I'm gonna end the video real quick, but Xiaomi, thank you. Thank you for finally being the one that said, you know what, we gotta truly innovate. You guys did it your way, and I am so happy that at least the whole thought of innovation is finally back. So thank you, Xiaomi, for doing that. Thank you so damn much. And that is it for today's episode of Technoid. Again, guys, very energetic. I really enjoyed this episode. I'm gonna get out of here. I got some food to eat because it's Saturday, why not? Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you disliked the video, hit the dislike button. That helps circulate my videos as well. As always, everyone, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you all on Monday. Take care, everyone. Stay safe, and peace.